How to hide followers on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can hide followers on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to hide followers on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and launch the Instagram application here, and let's say you have a list of followers and followings that you might want to hide and don't want to give it to the general public. Well, there is a way to do that, but it isn't 100% correct because you might still think about it, and the only way you can actually hide your followers from other people on Instagram is by simply making your account private. When you make your account private, if you have not accepted someone as your follower, then they will not be able to see your followers, but however your current followers will definitely be able to see their followers and following list, but the strangers who are not following your account because your account is private will not be able to view them. And in order to do this, tap the three lines option from the top right and then just navigate to the settings option here. Once you navigate to settings, you simply want to go to privacy. Once you go to privacy, at the very top you can see I have already turned on private account, so if you haven't done so, make sure to turn this thing on. So this way you'll be able to hide your followers on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.